Well, these are always kind of tricky because if I write a rule or I write some words, then I don't want you to think that's the only way you can state that. So let's take a look, and it's really about how is this thing growing. Looks like from 2 to 3 it's increasing by 1, and then it's increasing by 2, and then it's increasing by 3. So if I see that that pattern continues, I would then assume that this is just going to increase by 4, which would make that a 12, increase by 5, which is 17, and then increase by 6. Assume the pattern would keep going, that's a 23. So the rule is that it's increasing by increasing amounts. Meaning, maybe even I can clarify one more each time. Each step. Okay, so yeah, it's not just, I get different wording on that, but it's, you don't want to say it's just going up by more, but be specific as you can. Here we have 1 to 4, that's an increase of 3, and 4 to 2, it's actually a decrease of 2. And then we have our increase of 3, and then we have our decrease of 2 and our increase of 3. So it seems like it's happening all the way through. So after a decrease of 2 here, that should be a 7 because it's an increase of 3. And then a decrease of 2 brings us to 5, and an increase of 3 brings us to 8. And so I guess we could just say it that way. It's an increase of 3 followed by a decrease of 2, and then repeat. One way of saying it. There's a bunch of different ways you could say it, but that would work.